the industry's first four-way no-drill standoffs. The four-way no-drill standoff is comprised of an integrated, adjustable four-way insert that enables the user to install up to 4 panel edges. Our four-way no-drill standoff easily disassembles for trouble-free installation. Simply insert the Allen key provided into the hexagon screw, then carefully loosen to the desired height or remove the four-way insert. You can also remove the front plate screw from the four-way insert. Outwater's four-way no-drill standoffs are manufactured of solid steel in a 1-inch barrel length with a 1-inch diameter and come with installation hardware. Designed to work with single or multi-panel applications without pre-drilling holes in your panel. Using a level, mark the areas where you will want to install the standoffs. Drill your holes. If necessary, install anchors into the drill holes. Screw the barrels of the disassembled four-way standoffs to the wall. Once you have 4 standoffs installed, you will then want to insert your material to check your work. Insert with the groove side facing to the hexagon screw, then tighten the screw with your Allen key. After adjusting your material on the stands, then tighten your front plate screw so the material fits snugly. Please keep in mind that all panels must be the same thickness. Repeat the process until you have affixed all of the panels to all of the mounted four-way standoffs. Great for use in stores, restaurants, museums, exhibit booths, as well as in commercial and residential buildings. Outwater's four-way no-drill standoffs enable an infinite number of interior and exterior display mounting options.